All right, in this video we're covering the upper receiver. We finished up the lower, now it's time to move the upper. Unfortunately this one already had a couple things installed. One of them is the forward assist. The forward assist is a spring that goes on top of the forward assist, and when you push it in there's a pin, a roll pin that you can, hopefully you can see it there at the top. You put the pin in and it goes in. It's actually quite simple. A lot of them will come with it already installed if you want. And as far as the door, the dust cover, there's a pin that holds this all together. Take it out so you can see it. You'll have your door, you'll have your hinge spring. The spring fits in a groove like so. And there's the other part of the spring that'll go on the edge. You basically just take your pin and you feed it from the front through. Make sure your tip is on the front there. Feed it through the spring on that side. Fish it through the rest of the way. And voila. Oop. Voila. Voila, I made a mistake. My spring went on the wrong side. So let's pull that out and try that again. See, it doesn't matter how long you've been doing this. Stuff happens. Okay. Let's try that. Oop, let's try that again. Oops, trying to sneak out on me. There you go. Okay, so I got the spring trapped right here now. Now we want to feed it through. Make sure that spring stays on that lip right there. There we go. That's better. All right, and that's it.